All right, if you're a business owner in Nigeria, I need your attention because a really big change is coming. And I mean a change that's going to affect how you handle literally every sale you make. So let's get right into it and break down exactly what you need to know about this new e-invoicing rule. So let me just ask you this straight up. Think about your sales records right now, like right this second. Is it a pile of paper receipts? Maybe a messy spreadsheet you update sometimes? Seriously, is that system truly ready for the digital future that is right around the corner? That's the big question we're going to tackle today. Okay, first things first. Let's get to the bottom of it. What in the world is this new government mandate, and what does it actually mean?
So, in the simplest terms, e-invoicing means that every time you make a sale, the information from that invoice has to be sent straight to the Nigeria Revenue Service, the NRS, electronically. And here's the kicker. It has to be in real time. We're not just talking about sending an email at the end of the day. Nope, this is a direct data connection from your business to the taxman instantly.
Now, you're probably wondering, why are they doing this? Well, the main idea here is to make the business world a lot more transparent and, honestly, to make tax collection smoother. By getting all this data in real time, the NRS wants to make tax compliance way simpler and more accurate for everybody.
Now, the good news, and this is really good news, is that this isn't all happening tomorrow. You can breathe. The government has actually laid out a very clear plan to roll this out in phases, so let's take a look at the official timeline. And here it is. This is the official timeline, coming straight from the Chartered Institute of Taxation of Nigeria. As you can see, they're rolling this out in stages, and it's all based on your business's annual turnover. The whole point is to give everyone, especially smaller businesses, enough time to get ready. So let's break this down a bit. The biggest companies, we're talking large taxpayers with over 5 billion naira in turnover, well, they're already in the middle of this. For medium-sized businesses, full implementation is going to hit by July 2026. But, and this is for most of you watching, if you're a small business, what they call an emerging taxpayer with less than 1 billion naira in turnover, your rollout starts in 2027 and enforcement kicks in 2028. So, what's the takeaway? You have time, but you really need to use that time wisely.
Okay, so we've got the what, and we've got the when. Now let's get to the most important part of this whole conversation. Why should you actually care? Why does this matter to your business?
Let me be crystal clear. This is not some tiny little adjustment. This is a fundamental, ground-up change to how you operate. The days of keeping manual books and paper receipts for your taxes, well, those days are coming to an end. This new system is going to touch the very core of your day-to-day sales.
And it's going to hit several specific areas. First, your entire invoicing process has to go digital, period. That means the way you report and pay VAT will be tied directly to these e-invoices. Your accounting software, if you have any, might need a total overhaul. Basically, your whole system for staying on the right side of the tax law is about to evolve.
I know, hearing all that can feel a bit heavy. A little overwhelming, right? But it doesn't have to be. So let's flip this around. Let's stop talking about the problem and start talking about the solution. Let's walk through how you can get your business ready step by step. It's the big question on everyone's mind, isn't it? When a huge change like this is on the horizon, it's so easy to feel lost. But I promise you, the road to getting prepared is actually a lot simpler than you think. Here it is, a clear, manageable, three-step plan. First, go back to that timeline, find your business category, and know your deadline. Circle it on a calendar. Second, and this is the most important part, start digitizing your records now. Don't wait until the last minute. And third, find a simple digital tool that makes all of this easy.
And that brings us to the best part of this whole thing. Because adopting the right technology today doesn't just solve a future compliance problem. It can actually make your business run so much better right now.
I mean, just look at this side by side. On the one hand, you've got the old way, paper records that get lost, have mistakes, and let's be honest, lead to customers paying you late. On the other side, digital tools give you clean, organized records. They help you get paid faster, they make you look more professional, and of course, they get you ready for the future. It's a no-brainer.
And, there are tools designed specifically for Nigerian businesses that can make this feel like a breeze. Take something like NairaTrek, for example. It's built to solve the problems you have today. You can create professional receipts and send them through any channel your customer uses, SMS, WhatsApp, email, whatever. It even sends automatic payment reminders for you. And you can track who's paid and who hasn't in real time. See, this isn't just about getting ready for the NRS, it's about fixing your cash flow.
And the key here is that it's simple. You want tools that work right from your phone, without some complicated app you have to install. You can add your own business logo, which builds trust with your customers, and you get simple reports that actually help you understand where your money is going. This is how you get organized for today and totally prepared for tomorrow, all in one go.
This quote right here, it really says it all. The goal isn't just to follow a new rule. The real goal is to run your business better, to have the clarity, the organization, and the confidence you need to thrive in Nigeria's new digital economy. So, we end right back where we started. This change is happening. It's not a question of if anymore, it's just a matter of when. The move to e-invoicing is a massive step forward for Nigeria. The only question left is your business going to be ready for it? Thanks for tuning in.